The Sierra 1500 has always been a natural choice for anyone looking for a more upscale truck that doesn't lose a bit of its capabilities. But if you're in the market for one of these, you might want to wait a little bit longer because the next year's model is bringing notable updates and upgrades. Let's check the 6 reasons why you should wait for the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500. Number 6. Plug-in hybrid powertrain. For years, GM has resisted adding hybrid powertrains to their full-size trucks, but that's finally about to change. The 2026 Sierra 1500 will introduce a plug-in hybrid option that blends impressive power with remarkable efficiency. It's a strategic move designed to address some of the biggest challenges facing electric trucks today, like limited autonomy and questionable utility. The upcoming PHEV Sierra will use the gasoline engine's power to assist when the battery is depleted, essentially eliminating the range anxiety that plagues pure electric trucks while still delivering substantial fuel savings. Industry insiders describe this as a crash program of sorts, but one that's poised to deliver impressive results. While GM hasn't released specific performance figures yet, we expect power outputs that rival or exceed the current 6.2-liter V8's 420 horsepower, paired with fuel economy that will make V8 owners think twice. What makes this PHEV system particularly exciting is how it addresses real-world truck usage patterns. Most truck owners drive relatively short distances daily, but occasionally need long-range capability for towing or extended trips. The plug-in hybrid Sierra is perfectly positioned to handle this use case, offering all-electric driving for daily commutes and errands while seamlessly switching to hybrid operation when more range is needed. This dual-nature powertrain means you'll rarely visit gas stations during normal use, but never face the limitations of a pure electric truck when it's time to do serious work. The development of this hybrid system comes at a critical time for GM and the broader truck market. With Ford already reporting over $5 billion in losses on their EV division in the last year alone, GM's hybrid approach represents a more measured and practical transition strategy. Influential dealers have reportedly been pressuring GM to launch hybrid models to avoid losing customers who aren't ready to switch to pure EVs, and the company has clearly listened. This market-responsive approach stands in stark contrast to the company's previous all-in bet on pure electric vehicles. This hybrid powertrain represents a major shift in GM's strategy, especially considering that GM officials earlier declared, "We're not going to dilute our investment into hybrids." And CEO Mary Barra claimed customers weren't interested in hybrids. Times have certainly changed, and this new direction shows GM's ability to adapt to market realities while delivering what customers actually want, rather than forcing them into technologies they're not ready to embrace. For truck buyers caught between traditional powertrains and electric options, the 2026 Sierra PHEV offers the perfect middle ground. Number 5. Refreshed design. The 2026 Sierra 1500 is expected to introduce a comprehensive design refresh that elevates GMC's premium truck to new heights. Expect a bold exterior evolution that takes plenty of inspiration from the recently refreshed Yukon, with a more imposing front fascia, redesigned headlights, and a more distinctive overall presence. This is going to be a significant update that will ensure the Sierra stands out in an increasingly crowded truck market. Up front, the Sierra will likely adopt the latest iteration of GMC's design language with a more prominent grille and sophisticated lighting elements, including LED headlights with unique signature daytime running lights. The side profile maintains the Sierra's muscular stance but with more refined character lines, while the rear end receives updated taillights and bumper designs that enhance both form and function. What makes this refresh particularly impressive is how it differentiates various trim levels, with each having its own distinct identity. The luxurious Denali models showcase premium chrome accents and exclusive 22-inch wheels, while the rugged AT4 features a more aggressive stance with red tow hooks and all-terrain tires. The elevation trim strikes a perfect balance with body color accents and distinctive black elements. This approach ensures that every Sierra owner gets a truck that not only meets their functional needs, but also reflects their personal style. Number 4. Tech Features Update. The 2026 Sierra will solidify GMC's position at the forefront of truck technology with a suite of features that blend convenience, safety, and capability. At the heart of the interior experience is a standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with an available 13.4-inch center touchscreen that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The infotainment system incorporates built-in Google services, including Maps, Voice Assistant, and an app store for a seamless connected experience. Perhaps most impressive is the expanded availability of GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology, which now works even while towing. This system allows for true hands-free driving on more than 400,000 miles of compatible roads across North America, a feature that transforms long highway journeys with or without a trailer. For the off-road enthusiasts, the AT4 models will feature innovative technological assists, including the sophisticated terrain mode that combines one-pedal driving with automatic braking for maximum control in challenging off-road scenarios. This system works in harmony with the Sierra's various traction control modes to deliver an off-road experience that's both capable and accessible. Number 3. Premium interior upgrades. GMC is about to raise the bar for pickup truck interiors again. Building on the significant improvements made in the current generation, the 2026 model will further refine the cabin experience with higher quality materials, enhanced comfort features, and a more intuitive layout. Even base models will feature improved materials where you interact most, while higher trims approach luxury car levels of refinement. The Denali and Denali Ultimate trims continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in a pickup truck interior, with features like 16-way power adjustable front seats with massage function, premium leather upholstery, and authentic open-pore wood trim. These aren't just token luxury touches, they're executed with the kind of attention to detail you'd expect in vehicles costing tens of thousands more. What makes the Sierra's interior truly special is how it balances luxury with genuine utility. The center console is engineered for real-world use with thoughtful storage solutions and multiple power outlets. Rear passengers aren't an afterthought either, with the crew cab offering limousine-like legroom and available heated seats. All in all, we could agree that the Sierra's cabin feels genuinely spacious and premium in ways that matter during daily use. Number 2. Enhanced capability. The 2026 Sierra 1500 doesn't just look good, it's engineered to work harder and smarter than ever before. The conventional powertrain lineup continues to impress, from the capable 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder base engine to the mighty 6.2-liter V8 and the torque-rich 3.0-liter Duramax diesel. Each engine pairs with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that maximizes both performance and efficiency. Towing capability remains a Sierra strong point, with a maximum capacity reaching up to 13,300 pounds when properly equipped with the diesel engine. The 2026 model enhances this impressive capability with improved trailer control systems, including an expanded range of camera views that make connecting and monitoring a trailer easier than ever. The truck's multi-pro tailgate continues to set the Sierra apart, with 6 unique functions that enhance loading, unloading, and even provide a convenient workspace. For 2026, GMC has refined this innovative feature for even greater durability and ease of use. While competitors have introduced their own multi-function tailgates, none match the versatility and thoughtful design of the Sierra's solution. Number 1. Ideal timing in the truck market. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is arriving at the perfect moment in the evolution of the truck market. While some manufacturers are focusing exclusively on either traditional or all-electric powertrains, GMC is uniquely positioned to offer buyers the complete spectrum of options. From conventional gas and diesel engines to the new plug-in hybrid and an expanded all-electric lineup, the 2026 Sierra gives customers unmatched freedom to choose the powertrain that best suits their needs. This timing is particularly advantageous as the truck market navigates the transition to electrification. The new plug-in hybrid option provides a perfect stepping stone for buyers who want the benefits of electrification without committing to a fully electric vehicle. Meanwhile, those ready to embrace all-electric driving can choose from multiple Sierra EV trims with varying range and capability. Pricing remains impressively competitive, with the standard Sierra starting around $39,000. Despite this premium positioning, these prices reflect the cutting-edge technology and capability that puts GMC at the forefront of the truck market for 2026. The upcoming 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 represents more than just an update. It's a comprehensive rethinking of what a modern pickup truck can be. With groundbreaking powertrain options, enhanced technology, premium interiors, and unmatched capability, it's clearly worth waiting for this new truck. Whether you're a traditional truck buyer or ready to embrace electrification, the 2026 Sierra will have the perfect configuration to meet your needs. If you like the Sierra's capabilities but don't necessarily need all those luxury bits, its corporal twin from Chevy would be an excellent choice. Check out this video about 7 reasons to wait for the 2026 Chevy Silverado, which you can now see on the screen. There's a lot going on with Chevy's half-ton pickup, and it's getting better than ever before. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.